Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to take another look at the storage application and the automations that we can create in Zapier with them. Now you'll notice that we have selected both YouTube and Dropbox. And YouTube and Dropbox have integrations that we can automate. You'll notice that there are two integrations. One where Dropbox is the trigger and the other where YouTube is the trigger. Now we're going to actually look at the Zap where Dropbox is the trigger and uploading a Dropbox file to YouTube as an actual video. We're then going to click Use this Zap. We're then going to click Create this Zap. And the trigger will be a new file in the folder. We're going to click Continue. We'll test Dropbox. We will verify it's successful, then we'll click Save and Continue. We're now going to select the folder. And we're going to select the folder called Videos. And then we're going to click Continue. And in order to move on, we need to make sure that we have created at least one file. So we're going to now click Fetch and Continue. Zapier has found an existing file, so we'll now click Continue. So we're now going to create the post to our channel. And we're now going to test the YouTube channel. Now that this YouTube now has success, we'll then click Save and Continue. Zapier has now looked in Dropbox to find the training video that we have designated, and we'll now write a description. We can use some of the advanced options, and those will primarily be for YouTube. We're going to hide these options for the sake of this video. And we're going to now click Continue. We can now send our test to YouTube. And our Zap is now operational. And our test video is successfully uploading. There is one thing to note about this individual setup, and that is in the advanced options, you'll notice that the privacy status is set at optional. However, it is mandatory if you are going to have a successful test as well as a successful upload. So this will be something that you will have to do for this individual Zap.